Hello guys, we are looking at question 1.1.2 of the grade 12 paper 1. This is called quadratic formula. What we have here is 2x squared plus 6x equals to 6. First thing is to tell this guy here to go and join others. When you go to join others, it has to be 2x squared plus 6x, and you change your sign when you get there. 2x squared plus 6x minus 6 equals to 0, because you can't stand alone and walk alone. It has to be equal to 0. Then please do not create two brackets, please, because you're told to correct to 2 decimal places. So what we now have to do is to highlight what we have. A is equals to 2 here, B is equals to 6, and C is equals to negative 6. Then we write the formula. Remember, we are solving for x. What we have is negative b. The formula for quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. B squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then I substitute. I'm now going to substitute what we have, or what I highlighted. What I have is negative 6 plus or minus square root. I have 6 squared. Make sure it is in bracket, please. Minus 4. What do we have by A? 2. And what do we have by C? We have negative 6. Remember to go with your signs. All over 2 here. What we still have by A is 2. Then you can separate them. How do I mean by separate? We have negative. I can write x here equals to negative 6 plus. Then I have my 6 squared minus 4, 2, and then negative 6 all over 2a. Remember, what we have here is negative 6. I can also have it this way. X equals to negative 6 minus. Remember, we have plus or minus. Then we have our 6 here squared minus 4 to negative 6 all over what? 2a. Sorry, not 2a, 2 times 2. Then you now use your calculator to pick them. If you can't do them this way, I suggest you take them step by step. So if you punch in your calculator what you have, let me start with the one for positive, which is negative 6 plus minus. Then you're going to get 0, or 0.079 for the first one. X equals to 0.79, or x equals to, if I use the one for negative, what I'm going to get is x equals to negative 3.79. Negative 3.79, which is negative 3.79. Or let me say this. If you know you can't really get everything in the calculator, please make sure you take them step by step. If I have negative 6 plus, let me say I have x negative 6 plus. If I punch this one in the calculator, like the 6 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 6, what I'm going to get there is 84. If you can take it step by step, and then 2 times 2 here, which gives you 4. If this method will help you, fine. But if you know, you'll be careful to put everything in the calculator the way you see it, then it's okay. Remember, you're going to get max 1 here for standard form. They will give you mark there for standard form. Let me change the color of the pen. Here will be 1 mark. Then for correct substitution is 1 mark. Then for getting x equals to 0.79 and negative 3.79 will make the 4 marks you have here. Be careful with your signs. If you keep working on those things, I promise you, you're not going to struggle. See you next time, and bye.